Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be working on modifying the Nurf bars for what's originally was on a Baja Bug. What I did was I cut the mounting bracket off and then I welded them onto a piece of unistrut. And that unistrut's actually going to be replacing the side rails of the Bug. And I'll show you on the side of the passenger side here in a minute. So anyways, remember guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, let's get her done. Alright guys, so one other thing I'm going to work on is I'm going to be putting on a track down at the bottom here, okay, and that's going to fill in that gap that's left after you pull your floorboards off. So what I got to do is I got to notch it here to kind of bend around the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and notch that on both sides, and then I'll get this thing clamped on and bent to match the car. So let's go ahead and get going on that.
Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. Originally, that was the bracket that bolted to where your running boards would mount to. For a Baja Bug, you take the running boards off, obviously, and install these Nurf bars. What I did, I cut those off of the Nurf bars, and then I welded the Nurf bars to a piece of unistrut, okay, because I wanted those oval shapes on the side for a little detail underneath where the Nurf bar would have went, or running boards would have went. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they look like partially installed. I still have to finish welding around those 3 points and then the joint where I cut it. After that's done, then I can clean them up, prime them, paint them, and then get them ready to weld onto the car. So let's go ahead and take a look at them on the car. So that's what it's going to look like when it's on the car. So you see how it kind of fills in where the running boards would go. It fills that gap, plus you know, it gives a little detail with this Nurf bar. So let's take a look a little further back. So those Nurf bars are going to be actually painted black to kind of go with the whole theme of the car. So let me get those things finished welded and ground down, and then painted. We'll get them back on the car. Alright guys, so I got the rails on and painted. Now I just need to weld them. I think I'm doing about every 4 to 6 inches underneath, and then also through the holes there. I think it turned out pretty good. I just need to put a little rubber piece right there where it attaches to the body, and then bolt it through the body there. But all in all, love the look of that black. I think it ties everything in nicely. Love the look of that unistrut. Came out pretty clean. So once these things are on, I just got to focus on
everything up front, underneath the dash, the outside body, and then getting the dash installed, and then step by step getting things done. Let's take a look at the other side. Might be a little too dark over there to notice anything, but yeah, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got it on over here as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got those Nurf bars on. Love the way they look. Just got to do a little bit of cleanup on the paint where the heat got to it and burned it off. Not a big deal, I knew that was going to happen. But in any case, I got the main part of it painted. So I just kind of have to touch it up. So anyways, remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Alright guys, remember it's built, not bought. See you in the next one.